Alright, well, I figured out how to, I ain't had no sound in my car, or whatever. With no sound or nothing coming out the speakers. I messed with that. That wasn't the problem. I unhooked that. This start freezing up all type of crazy shit. So I put that back in. I had two of these actually that I got out the junkyard, but I'm about to show you exactly what I did. You see keys even in there. No sound, no nothing on right now. What I did is got some of these and I snipped it right here and cut the little back piece off and snatched this out. Now, my GPS unit is bad. Let me go take the key out real quick so I can show you what I'm talking about. My GPS unit is bad.
Huh?
So it was just shutting on, coming on and shutting off.
What is?
You can see the lights. All it's doing is shutting on and coming off. You hear then it just stop. And it just stop and it just stop and it stop and stop. But I'm about to go show you the inside of the car. Got the humming noise in here. Oh, see, like I said, it's froze up again. When that GPS unit plugged in, it's froze up. I can take that out right now and I can use this stuff. But with the GPS plugged in and that plugged in at the same time, it's not gonna work. So, see, nothing. Taking the key back out. Now, unplug the GPS unit. This right here. Take this piece and you sit it in there. See that? Now watch. And I got radio.
Flying out with Mr. Boring shows. I pray to God I don't overdose. I put ASAP on my tag.
This works.
I put the game on the flag. They gon' remember.
Everything works now.
They robbing boys with a chain. I got go you up by the sack. I got the boom by the
Except that.
I'm just going up big.
I don't use that. Don't care.
Them boys not fixing the same. I'm done with the just in the fame. Pull up on your second.
So now I'm about to put this together and ride. And I ain't got to put no aftermarket radio on my car. But everybody said you got to have the right one. Well, I was looking inside of this one and I noticed that the piece slides out. So I just cut that. Cut it right there. It's a little clip on the back of this piece. See that little nipple right there? It gets stuck in there. So I just cut the bracket and slid it out and problem solved. Alright, this is 2002 745i. So y'all have a good day. Hope this helped y'all.